How to add progress tracking on monday.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and let's get started right now. First thing to do is going to monday.com from the URL bar and then going to the workspace that you want to add the progress track to one of its items. After this, go to the right of the group title. You're gonna find some buttons. You're gonna click on this plus button. We can add a column from here. So click on it and then click on more columns in the bottom. After this, you have to scroll down in the sections until you go to the team power up section, and here is progress tracking. Then click on add to board. As you can see, now we have progress tracking for each item. This progress tracking column is linked to the status column in each item. So the progress is 0% when you change it to stuck or leaving it empty. It's 100% when you make it done, and it's 50% when it's working in it. What if you want to add more details? We're gonna add another status column, and let's try working in it. Now as you can see, the progress is now 50% because not all the status bars are set into done. When this is done, this is 100% when both are done. When this is also done, as you can see now it's 100%, and the total progress 67%, as you can see working on it. Now this is 0%, and when we make this as working on it, now it's also still 0%. When we change it to done, it's now 50%, and the total progress is set to 83%. And that's all about making a progress bar in monday.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also don't forget to write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.